In this video, I modified one of my DIY RC jets with an FPV cockpit and a payload drop system, turning it into a fully operational FPV bomber. The first challenge was figuring out how to release a payload from the jet in the lightest and simplest way. For that, I simply 3D printed a modified version of the drop mechanism from a previous project, making it slightly taller to accommodate larger payloads. I then installed it at the jet's center of gravity, and mounted a nearby servo to actuate a push rod that securely locks and releases the payload. With the drop mechanism complete, the next step was building an FPV cockpit. I first cut away at the original foam board cockpit, leaving only the frame, and then glued thin sheets of clear plastic over it. This approach worked far better than I expected, creating a surprisingly realistic cockpit view in FPV. With the jet finished, the last thing to make was the payload. For this flight, we decided to drop a simple weighted 3D printed bomb, since it was our first time testing the system on this jet. But be sure to stay tuned by subscribing and hitting the notification bell, since we're currently developing some more interesting payloads, and those will be featured in a future video. With everything complete, it was finally time to see this incredible jet in action.
Alright.
Gotta lock in now.
So what the FPV looks like.
Looks great.
Okay, let me just check your runway quickly. Yeah, okay, you're good. Holy shit! Holy shit! How does it feel?
So fucking sick.
Okay, so remember, don't fly out of range.
Yep. Dude, the speed feels fucking unreal though.
Okay, do you want to drop the bomb on this pass?
Yeah, definitely.
Right, you can drop it now on this pass.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Holy shit. Oh my god. That's insane, yeah.
Nice.
I heard the sound from here of it hitting.
I'm landing.
Okay.
I'm coming from this side.
Runway clear, yeah. Yeah, runway's clear, no one's coming. Remember how you came in last time nice and slow and it was good after? So make sure you always just pull up. Okay, you're looking good. You're looking really good. Oh my god, yes. Dude, oh my god, butter! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh. There's no way we just did that. There's no way. With a successful main flight completed, this FPV jet is officially ready for its next phase of development. And what's coming next will be even more exciting. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.